I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Apple Music auto renewal, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. This will show you all your active subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. Find and tap on Apple Music from the list of subscriptions. This will take you to the subscription details page. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. On the Apple Music subscription page, look for the option to turn off auto renewal. Make sure to confirm your choice. Remember, if you don't see the option to turn off auto renewal, it might be because you're currently in a trial period. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.